Nasdaq 100 has snapped the 4 weeks bullish run so far and has given lower highs and in fact has kept intact the lower levels of this bullish channel. So what to expect next week, as it is an also important week where the CPI numbers will be impacting and the markets and bringing the little volatility. Which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of first charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading strategy. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, and also do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis which I share for Nasdaq 100. Twice a day targets I share for Nasdaq 100, once with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do make profit with those analysis as well. Let's start. Now see, on the weekly charts at the beginning of this year I told you it is looking forward to a reversal, and since then it has shown a very good rally from 11,000 to 12,900 levels, the highs which it has seen. Now so US100 is traded in this bullish channel, and this is a narrowly bullish channel but with increasing slope. Now if you look at the performance last week, is precisely traded within the same zone. Also I did share with you last week that 11,200, and likewise several times in the past I've told you 12,200 and 12,000 levels. These are two levels only below which I will consider Tech 100 to be bearish. Till the time it trades about 12,000, 12,200, certainly we can remain bullish on Tech 100. Now at the same time, one more observation here is it is trading above this long term bearish trend line. See, it was trading with this as high, and this time it has breached this. Certainly it is looking forward to little more bullishness, though it has retraced nicely. However, do not to be considered bearish till the time it trades above 12,000 levels. Once again I am re-emphasizing, reiterating the same. You need not to consider it as bearish till the time it trades about 12,000. But now next week, see, first we have seen lower highs, higher lows. Yes, it has respected the channel. If you see it trading below 12,200, you can remain short. You can expect 12,000, and below that there could be little more bearishness. And once again we might see 11,800, which is definitely a very good support, below which it is going to be 11,500. Now see, rise, retracement, and possibly it can continue to remain bullish after that also. That is another observation, that yes, it can try to retrace a little and followed with a subsequent bullish channels, bullish candles again in the forthcoming weeks. But be careful of 12,200, 12,000 levels here. Now this is the next observation. And if you look at the daily charts now, and if you look at the daily charts, yes, it is the same channel in which it is trying to trade. Next, in last few days, we have seen lower highs, and also this time on Friday, we have seen it breaching the support levels at 12,400. However, it failed to break below 12,200. Once again, 12,200 is definitely a very good support. Now, next week, see, first of all, it has to trade about 12,400 and 500. This zone is very important, 12,400, 500 levels. And next it has to give a breakout above this lower highs, which means 12,700 levels. So beyond this, certainly increasing bullishness, and you can consider this for reversal. So what it is to be considered as, now if you look at the movement, see, rise, retracement, same the bottom of the channel, rise, retracement. Here also you can see a little retracement, I missed it. Now see, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. So it is precisely following the same pattern. And if you look at the candle size also, just ignore this error candle here. And if you look at the candle size, see, one bearish candle, second and third, and this candle had only a tail and not a wick out there. It is with a flat top. Now see, the candle size is diminished. And now the Monday's candle, the first trading session, probably if it tries to take it at around 12,400, possibly with the CPI data, we may see a rise, and then it may try to trade increasingly bullish, where it can try to breach past 12,800 levels also in the forthcoming sessions. So this is another point of view here. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts also. On the monthly chart, see, four candles with the flat bottom, and see the previous red candle, this green candle, and this is a breakout. Also I did tell you in the beginning of the month that see, it has come out of this support levels about 12,200 and 12,000. This is a breakout, and it may try to trade increasingly bullish. At the same time, once again these levels have come into picture. You can see multiple candles getting rejected from the same levels, either closing here or getting the resistance here and this zone. Precisely this month again it has tried to get the resistance from the same. Also, as you can see, the candle started around 12,000 levels, and since then it has traded bullish. Now the retracement is over. Possibly it can try to resume its bullish move again, and possibly it can continue on the upside. And hence we have to remain cautious. At the same time, breaking below 12,000, it can again bring a bearish move, giving you lower lows and possibly retracing again and closing the month at around with a doji. That will again keep it bullish, because see, drop and a recovery, and then the next candle, it will keep the doors for the next candle open, so that it can again trade bullish in the next month. So that is one part. Now certainly this zone is stronger resistance, because beyond that 14,000 is the only level which I look forward to that it should be achieved. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators on the daily charts. It was trading outside Bollinger Bands here, and it has got the retracement. At the same time, it is trading above the 20, 50, 100 period moving average, which is a very good sign. Here the 20 period moving average crossover is taken, which is a bullish sign. Here it is trading with divergence, indicating increasing bullishness. Also same 12,200, 12,100, this is a 20 period moving average, giving it a very strong support on the downside, because below that there is lot much to cover on the downside. If it continues to trade bearish, 11,800 and 500 are the only levels where it may get the support. Now look at the daily chart again, and you can see this was extremely divergent and bearish. It has converged a bit, it has narrowed the gap, it has tried to reduce the bullishness, but it is still bullish. Remember the fact, it has not yet crossed over. Stochastic was trading overbought, and that is why we can see a good drop here. The MACD has crossed over, and this crossover is happening at a high. Now that is a slight worry point for me, because see, whenever such crossovers happen, it tries to bring little bearishness, and once again it is this crossover is happening here. This is the first red candle which we had seen here. Possibly this may call for little bearishness. Now if you look at how it is traded so far, you can see Nasdaq 100, it is trading, but the MACD is trading in this fashion, which means that now possibly this may try to bring the bearishness, which also is indicative of that if it breaks below 12,200, stay short, then 12,000, and then below that further bearishness might bring a little drop here. You need to remain cautious and alert. This is only bearish indication, once again I am saying, and this is happening at a high. This is possibly indicative of a drop in the daily charts. RSI looking down, but remember the fact, couple or more sharp red candles and this will come to comfortable levels before it tries to bounce back. RSI was overbought, and this is also looking down on the daily charts. Now look at the week. On the weekly charts, it is trading above the 20 and 50 period moving average. Yes, the 20 period moving average started to converge for a crossover here, but right now it is still trading with the bearishness. The directional movement is divergent and bullish. The stochastic is overbought. That is what it is trying, and we can see a little drop. The MACD is divergent and bullish. This is looking upwards, and this still has a scope for it to continue with the rise. But look at the highs which it has seen in past, and right now if you look at, these are almost at par. So possibly from here a little convergence, but it is still trading below zero level, and hence it has lot much to cover on the upside, which may bring it to the bull zone. The weekly charts, stochastic is trying to look a little down here, and if you look at the monthly charts, on the monthly charts it is trading below the 20 months average, which is far above 13,800 levels, but yes, certainly above the 50 and 100 months average. If you look at the directional movement, this is bearish, waiting for it to converge crossover. The stochastic, which is oversold, has recovered a bit. The MACD on the monthly charts is trying to converge crossover for the buy entry again. So see, so far for few multiple years it has been trading in this bullish levels, and now it is crossed over for the first time towards red side. Now it is again trying to converge and continue the bullish run on the monthly charts. The RSI is also trying to look upwards, which is showing a little strength. So we have seen the charts, you have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and levels so that you can profit next week. Now before I give you the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art, tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you become a profitable trader, you should join my mentorship batch. The tools, techniques, and strategies taught are applicable across indices, commodities, currencies, and also on crypto as well. So do join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on first week of March. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, next week, first thing is where to buy. Now, see, these are the levels to buy and sell. Yes, you can buy at 12,320, but remember, this is the zone you should focus on. If and only if it breaks past 12,400, 500 zone, you can expect that there is going to be increasing bullishness. While it was above this, these are the stronger support zone, and now this is going to be a resistance zone, and hence it needs to be break past beyond 12,400, 500 in order to trade bullish. And then the next level is 12,800, which you should watch out for. Beyond that we may see 13,000, and then beyond 13,000, anyways, the sky is the limit. 13,500 levels will be seen. On the downside, you have to focus on 12,200, because see, 12,200, 12,000 zone is going to be an extremely important zone. If it breaks below 12,000, certainly it will bring little more resistance, which might bring it till towards 11,840, 11,700 and 11,500 levels. I don't see it breaking below 11,500, but yes, if it does, 11,330 and 11,200 are the levels you should watch out for. These are markets, anything is possible. I don't see it dropping till then, but possibility exist, and hence you should take your trades accordingly. When wherever you see these blue boxes here, you should be watchful, and till those levels you have to keep booking profits at every milestone and every resistance level, or keep shifting your stop loss to the first milestone, such that in case of a reversal your trade closes in profit and you can re-enter always. Maybe you will lose a little few points because in order to catch it early, but then it will be safer for you to preserve your capital and always re-enter. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.